jungle so deep, with trees oh so tall, lived a fluffy white rabbit, quite cuddly and small. His name was Pip, with a hop and a bound. He loved to explore all the wonders around. One sunny day, with the sky painted blue, he met a new friend. Hi friend, how are you? It was Squeaky the squirrel, with a fluffy gray tail, who loved to climb trees and glide on a gale. "Let's play," said Pip, with a mischievous grin. "We'll race to the river, and then we'll jump in." They dashed through the jungle so happy, so free, laughing and leaping as wild as could be. They splashed in the stream, oh what a delight. Their giggles and fun made the whole forest bright. The parrots all cheered, the monkeys swung high, while butterflies danced in the warm summer sky. After their play, they lay on the grass, watching the clouds as time seemed to pass. "You're my best friend," said Pip with a smile. "We'll adventure together, mile after mile." So Pip and his friends, so joyous and true, wandered the jungle, their friendship brand new. With each fluffy hop and a bushy tail twirl, the jungle was theirs, one big happy world.